Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'd like to unbox DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I was on the fence about buying this or not because I already have this camera, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. But I know the DJI, the price is going up. I heard they're like not selling, or they're like trying to get out of America. So yesterday I went to Costco and took a leap and bought it. So let's unbox this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Or do I need to use like app or something? I'll figure it out. I don't think I'm gonna use it today. There we go. So this is a battery. And this is the camera, Pocket 3. Here's a handle. I love this so much. I can use this on my Sony ZV-1 Mark II as well. This is really handy. Let's start off with the camera. Just peel this part off. So this is okay. So this is the camera. I think that's the filter. Yeah, you see the eye. I think it goes back like this. Well, actually, I'm not quite sure. Like that. Okay. Nice. Not quite sure what this is. What is this? Oh, it's like a charger. Oh, it's a charger. Okay. So let's open the handle. It's like a mini tripod. It opens up like this and you can just let the mic camera sit on this. And this is the battery. Let's assemble all this. So I believe the battery goes under the camera like that. And you could still like hold like this. You know, you can still like do that. But I I prefer having this, the handle. Well, actually, yeah, you can like do that. So when you like turn this side down, that's when the camera turns on, I think. Yeah, you see. Oh. Actually, what does it say? It says rotate the screen to power on or off. And this, the red button is for shutter or record button. You can press it once to turn it on, take photos or record. And you could hold this down, you turn this off. This is the 5D joystick. Or you can, I'm not quite sure what this means, but let's peel this off. And slide this way. I choose, is it touch screen? Oh yes, it is. I don't think yep. You can press once to power on. Yep. Push stick to control gimbal direction or zoom. Oh, I can, okay, this, I can zoom in and stuff. So this controls this little guy, I think. Press once to back press and hold lock. Not quite sure what that means, but I'll figure it out. You can rotate this screen to turn this camera on and off, landscape or portrait. There's a nice storage. Oh, okay, like this guy. For micro card. Okay, I need to get one of these. Alright, I'm done. Okay, I need the SD card. Okay, I'll figure that part out. You see how I can kind of control these joysticks to move the camera for a little bit. Well, it's cool. Yeah, I'll do the setting later. I'm not using it right now, so I'll put everything back. So the price though, so I went to Costco yesterday and I actually made it my first time membership with them because I'm planning on going there a lot more often. And it was $730 with tax. I paid $804, which I think it's still cheaper side. If you're still in America, you can find a Costco. I think they're they have the Osmo Pocket 3 the cheapest. Like Amazon or other places, I think it's nearly this is like almost a 1K, and I think the price is going up because of the tariff, and also I heard DJI is not staying in America anymore, so we don't get any more supply, sounds like. So I wanted to, yeah, just take a leap and buy that. And also I've been using the mic. I think it's the the DJI Mic 2. I'm using one of them right now and using the receiver with my camera. So I've been using these too, and it's really cool. Nice box with a nice little package here. And then you guys, I don't know if you've watched it already, but I just posted my an hour-long walking tour in downtown Chicago kind of video yesterday. And I asked my friend to let me use his Osmo Pocket 3 because I wanted to see, before I make the purchase, I wanted to see if I like it or not. And I was blown away just how easy to use. It's so small and light. So I was like walking in the downtown in the middle of a summer for almost 2 hours holding this camera. And my wrist, it was not tired at all. Like I was okay with walking around, holding the camera the entire time. And also what I like about this is it's so small that, you know, like, I mean, at the end of the day, you should do what you want to do and not care about other people too much, because unless, you know, you're bothering people, so you don't want to shove your camera to someone's face or anything like that. But you get the feeling when you are like outside making videos, filming. Maybe it's me. I don't want to like stand out and like look like, you know, I'm like you know, making video, which I am. And when I use this mic camera, I mean this Sony ZV-1 is also small, but it's, for me, it's big enough to stand out. I look like a kind of stupid sometimes when I record outside. So it's quite heavy. I've dropped this camera outside to the ground a few times, and this, you almost never do that. So like it's really natural. You don't look too obvious. I mean, not that you want to be like secretive or anything, but this is really that you get, if you use it, you get that. It's really easy to use. Look really normal, natural when you use this. So yeah, I wanted to do that. So also I'm planning to go to Utah September. I'm trying to make more videos outside, and just, it's just pain in the butt when you have to carry the tripod and this camera. It's just too much to carry, I think. But this is all you need. I put the SD card, and I mean, I'm not gonna go through all the things you can do with this camera, but when I tried my friend's DJI, I did a 30 FPS and 4K. I don't think you want to do 60 FPS and 4K. I think the camera is gonna die, or the battery is gonna die really soon. If you want to do like outside walking hours, an hour or 2 hours long video, I believe 30 FPS 4K is good enough. And the difference that you are going to see between 30 FPS and 60 FPS when it's 4K, it's not gonna be a big difference, but I heard it's a lot faster for the battery to die. So, yep. So let's, I mean, my room is kind of messy now, so I don't want to show you guys, but let's walk around a little bit. Here's the, see how the camera is like following? You can tilt it over, downward or upward. Yeah, I have like a lot of stuff here, but yeah, I need to clean my room, but just wanted to show you guys what the camera can do. You can get really close or really far. Yeah, it's really nice. You can just rotate it this way to turn this off. And the camera kind of sort of goes back to where it was, so really nice. So it's really cool. I'll probably, I don't know, make a video outside, maybe, what is it? Oh, how can I take this off? Oh, like that? Okay. I'll probably make a video about the Michigan, the Lake Michigan, and just walk along the lake with this. So you guys interested, stay tuned. I'm also getting my first pair of white boots next, or tomorrow actually. So I'll do the unboxing video. So yeah, there's more videos coming up. So again, if you're interested in watching just a random Japanese guy doing stuff in the US, this is the right channel. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.